Hey everyone, this is problem 19 on your Staar Release Exam 2018, and you probably want to use a calculator on this, right? So I think if you know how to solve for y, you should be okay with this. So we're going to solve for y, and we can also see it better with the y-intercept. So I'm going to just write it out here. To solve for y, I'm going to subtract 6y from both sides. So you get negative 6y minus 4x is less than or equal to negative 54. Alright, so I subtracted 6y. Now I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So when you do that, you get negative 6y. That's going to cancel. It's less than or equal to 4x minus 54. And then I'm going to divide everything by negative 6. I have three terms. 1, 2, 3. Divide by negative 6. And this is going to be y. And don't forget, when you divide by a negative, divide or multiply by negative, you have to flip that. So that's going to be greater than or equal to. Now that's going to end up being negative. And you reduce 6 is 2/3. Here we have two negatives. So that's going to be plus 9. Now, I think all of these were kind of the same. Let's see, the y-intercept on all these were plus 9. They're all, okay, so the only difference is, do you see where it says greater? That means you take something you're going to shade up. If it says, these are the only two that shade up when it says greater. These both shade down, and that's where they're going to get you. Because if you forgot to flip the sign because you divided or multiplied by negative, you're going to mess up. So just be careful with that. Also, it has an equal, so it's a solid line. If it has a dashed line, then it wouldn't have an equal. So the answer is A. I want to go ahead and go through some of these others. Let's just write this equation out. We know the y-intercept is 9 on all these. It's shaded up, so we know it's y is greater than. Now I'm leaving it as, I'm not putting an equal because it's dashed. And now, and I know my y-intercept is plus 9. So basically I need to find the slope. And the slope is a little steep on this one. So let me try it. This is really hard to find the slope. Let me see if it's over here. No, they didn't give it to you. So basically you have to find the slope. This is 9 right there. And this is, let's see where 3 is going. 1, 2. So basically if you do that, you're going up. If you do this, you're going over 2 and down 3. So that's going to be negative 2/3. No, negative 3/2 x. The main thing is to remember that. Now this one, the same thing as 9, but this one's going to be 2/3. So this is going to be y, and you're going to do less than, because you're shading down, no equal sign. It's still negative slope, so that's going to be negative 2/3 x plus 9. This one is just like this one. It has an equal, plus it's shaded down, so it's going to be less than or equal to negative 3/2 x plus 9. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.